as is true to form, I wrote a song about it, and it's called Come Rest. Thanks so much for having me.
Sufficiency. I have tried so fervently to earn your love, but any joy that I once found is wearing off, is winding down, and I can hear you in the madness calling out. When you say come rest, should I be working so hard? When you say love rest, did you want hands on my heart? 'Cause I so convinced that it was right, heading way to what was like, seeking value in your sight, but I was wrong. For all the labor I have done, just put a candle to the sun, and I can see that it will never mend right. When you say come rest, should I be working so hard? When you say love rest, did you want hands on my heart? 'Cause I have done my best, still I miss the mark. But I remember you said it's done. Oh. So I come to the water's edge, I rest in your promises that all you ever wanted was me. So if there's nothing more that I can do to earn the love I need from you, then all that's left to want is to believe. So you said come, you said come rest. Should I be working so hard? When you said love rest, did you want hands on my heart? 'Cause I have done my best, and still I miss the mark. But I remember you said it's done. So I come.
The end. Thank you so much. I'll be back at my little booth if you want to come say hi. Thanks so much.